So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to master this curling pattern. So first I went on to tie down the edges so the lace can lay properly. So I did a video recently where I showed you guys how to do baby hair. Just in case you've not seen that video yet, I'm going to leave it up there so you can go watch it and learn how to do baby hair. So this is me combing back the hair just to tie down the second band so that place can give us a very flat and beautiful illusion. Hi guys, I'm Black. Welcome to my channel. My name is louisihuefo. If this is your first time here on my channel, hello there, welcome to my channel. So here on my channel, I create hair content, lifestyle content, and vlog. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do that, and also don't forget to give this video a very big thumbs up. Like my other videos, watch them, share them with your friends, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll always be notified whenever I post a video. And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you for stopping by once again. So before I start curling, I like to use my product and then use the hot comb. So today I'm going to be using this curler in size 32, and then I'm going to section the hair into beads and then start curling. So but before that, if there's any flyaway, I like to go in with my wax stick and then rub it in and curl. So I'm going to be doing the inward motion way of curling. So I'm going to put my curler this way and then carefully take it like this and then fold it and then pull it to the tip a little and then start rolling it inwardly. So guys, for this one, I'm not going to speed up the video because I actually want you guys to see how long it takes for one to curl. So once I curl down, I'm going to hold it up. So I don't know if you guys can see clearly from this video. I have a lot of flyaways on this hair. So I'm just going to get the wax stick and then use it on it and then allow it down the curls because we're all distracted trying to keep the little baby calm. But that's, by the way, maybe in another video I can show you guys how to like bring the curls down. So I'm going to just use my got2b spray to like set the hair and do some finishing touches before we go. And that's it for today's video. I hope it was really insightful and you guys really enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave, and also don't forget to give this video a very big thumbs up. Like my other videos, watch them, share them with your friends, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you always be notified whenever I post a video. So is there anything you'd want to see here on this channel? Don't forget to leave it in the comments below, and I promise you guys I'm going to come through. So I love you all to the moon and back, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.